everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace some parts on your Roomba 770. 770 is one of the older models, but it's still a usable robot, and now still a usable robot. So we got many different filters. I think we got 6 or 7. Now these are all from Temu. Here's a picture right somewhere on the screen. There'll be a picture of where we bought it from. So we have 8 filters right there, and then you must have 6 or 7 side brushes. 6 side brushes, and we get this little cleaning tool. You get 2 brushes, and you also get a bunch of screws that are loose, so you gotta be careful about that. So we're gonna first start on the brush roller. So to access your brush roller, there's 2 tabs on your robot, right here, 2 tabs. You'll push forward and pull up to pull out your thing. You're gonna pull on the brushes and pull them out just like that. Now these are really dirty, so we're just gonna place those over to the side. And then we're gonna take our new brushes, slide those in. Make sure they spin all right. Put your other brush in. It's our 3-stage cleaning system. Now you're all good. And you just slide that right back into place. So that's really cool. Now, there is a difference. This one has 6 bristles on this one, and this one only has 3 bristles. So that's something a little weird. You always want to clean out the little side piece of your side brush there. But it still fit on there. It looks more like a modern Roomba. So with this brush, we look pretty good now. So flip it back over. Make sure it's still working. Now you're going to pull out your dustbin. You're going to open up the latch, and you'll see 2 filters. They're both tiny little filters. These are ones that you can just tap out anywhere. Take your new ones. If you are inserting new ones, put them in just like that. And I've actually never put these filters in, so they're a little new to me doing this. Just so you know, these filters are really hard to get in. So be prepared to try getting these filters. It's a real challenge that you have to do.
Eventually.
So, now we got these in and now they're ready to go. Close this back up. And now you are good to continue vacuuming with your iRobot Roomba 770. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.